it's 100 degrees outside. But that ain't stop. Alright, I'm fixing to bring out the African fowls, or guineas. There's another strip. I'm gonna pull this thing closer. They're sitting on top of it. But anywhere they might be able to dig out or something dig in, I went ahead and I added over. They weren't doing nothing good because ain't nothing getting in there, son. Get on of the situation at hand, son. Woo! It's one hot son of a biscuit. And then I start rounding these guineas up one by one. Hogs. Hog's greatest enemy. Yeah, they might look young, but it's summer. Guineas are happy as can be. They got wood. It's the first time they ever got grass and dirt. So yeah, hopefully they don't start trying to dig. Work hard, eat harder. Cabbage and meat.